Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Lauren and today we are going to be exploring the wonderful world of oil pastels. Oil pastels are something that I have not used in many years, but I'm really excited to try them out today and to see what happens, how it goes, what it feels like to use them again. The set of oil pastels that I have is a really cheap kind. Just like saw them in a shop for I think like 25 crowns, which is not a lot. It's like really low amount. So I'm not sure what the quality is going to be like, but I'm excited to try these out and I hope you'll enjoy kind of coming along with me on this experiment and just seeing what happens and how it goes. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I'm so grateful for all you guys watching my videos, so thanks for joining me here and let's get into this. So this is how far I am in the process, and I'm literally having like the best time using these oil pastels. I mean, they look like this now, so they're all kind of like breaking apart, and of course like I have to wash my hands all the time because they're quite dirty, but it's actually so fun. It's just like, it's really I feel like you can just kind of be like rough and not too like structured with the artworks with the oil pastels, and that's quite fun. I keep having to because the oil pastels make those little like flecks that fall off, so I keep having to like take a tissue over the dustbin or the trash can and sweep off the bits of oil pastel. But I really love how vibrant the colors are looking. I think that's really cool. And yeah, now I'm gonna do a kind of like background, but this is so fun. This is like really reminds me of childhood, yeah, because we used to use in school when I did art as a kid. We used to always use oil pastels, And then I got to high school and we like didn't really use them so much, so I kind of like forgot about them. And yeah, just really cool to like revisit this new material and experiment a bit with it. Right, so I just finished, and yeah, that's I think pretty much how I love it. It's so colorful and vibrant, and now is kind of the part that when I found these oil pastels in the shop, I was wondering, like, you know, I don't really want to use them because you know how when you oil pastels, like if you touch the work, it just like gets all over your fingers, and I was like, how am I, you know, gonna keep it kind of like that it's not gonna be so messy to store it and stuff. And as a kid I didn't really know about this, but I found out that you can use varnish. So this here is a transparent varnish that you would paint onto, you know, a painting after you're finished, and you can actually use this varnish, and there's all different kinds, but this is just one type, and you can paint this onto your oil pastel picture and it kind of like seals it in. So that's really cool because then it's not going to be messy. I can keep it in the sketchbook. It's not going to like mess up the other pages. So I tried it out earlier to see kind of like how it would work. I just made this little bookmark with a little bird on it, and yeah, so it's like kind of got a like glossy look to it, which is pretty cool. And if you touch it, it's like totally fine. Nothing comes off the picture, so I think that's really cool. So now I'm going to use this varnish on the watermelon picture, and hopefully it like seals it in nicely and protects it and just keeps everything clean. Because yeah, after using oil pastels, it's like it is quite a messy art form, but it's fun to kind of just get your fingers messy and just have a little bit of a more experimental art experience. So this was a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm going to paint this varnish on now, and then I would always suggest, if you do use a varnish, definitely like wash your paintbrush straight away afterwards. Otherwise you have to make this be your varnish only paintbrush forever because it really gets all stuck inside. But this is the one I used earlier with the bookmark, and then I just washed it straight afterwards, and now it's like totally fine to use for normal painting. So I'm going to use it for this and then wash it. So that was the first artwork I did. I had done the bookmark before, and then I did the watermelon picture, which was really fun. And then I also did a piece off camera, which I'll show you. I just have like the final artwork, but it was also fun just to experiment some more with these oil pastels and see what all they could do. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll give oil pastels a try. They really are a lot of fun. I honestly had so much fun trying them out and just experimenting and trying a new material after a long time is just really fun, and just kind of not making perfect art, but kind of just like you know, just filling a sketchbook page. And I just love how vibrant the colors of oil pastels are. From me and this windy forest that I'm walking through right now, and all these little bugs that are everywhere. I'll see you next time. Peace.